US President Donald Trump has said that Washington and Tehran were close to finalizing a broad peace agreement after a series of calls with leaders from the Middle East and South Asia, including Pakistan Army Chief General Asim Munir and leaders of Gulf nations. In a post on Truth Social on Saturday, Trump said an agreement had been largely negotiated between the United States, Iran and several regional countries, with only final details left to be completed. I am in the Oval Office at the White House, where we just had a very good call with President Mohammed bin Salman Al Saud of Saudi Arabia, Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan of the United Arab Emirates, Qatar's Emir Tamim bin Hamad bin Khalifa Al Thani, Prime Minister Mohammed bin Abdulrahman bin Jassim bin Jaber Al Thani, and Qatari Minister Ali Al Thawdi, Field Marshal Syed Asim Munir Ahmad Shah of Pakistan, Turkish President Recep Tayyip Erdogan, President Abdel Fattah el-Sisi of Egypt, King Abdullah II of Jordan, and King Hamad bin Isa Al Khalifa of Bahrain, concerning the Islamic Republic of Iran and all matters related to a Memorandum of Understanding pertaining to peace, the US President wrote. The statement marked one of the most expansive diplomatic claims made by Trump in recent months regarding Iran and regional security. An agreement has been largely negotiated, subject to finalization, between the United States of America, the Islamic Republic of Iran, and the various other countries listed above, he said. Trump also said that he separately spoke with Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu. Separately, I had a call with Prime Minister Bibi Netanyahu of Israel, which, likewise, went very well, he wrote. Trump said negotiations were now focused on the final elements of the understanding. Final aspects and details of the deal are currently being discussed and will be announced shortly, he added. One of the most significant parts of Trump's statement related to the Strait of Hormuz, the narrow waterway through which a major share of the world's oil shipments passes. In addition to many other elements of the agreement, the Strait of Hormuz will be opened, Trump wrote. Trump did not disclose details of the proposed Memorandum of Understanding or explain the role each country would play in the arrangement. The White House also did not immediately release further details.
News Inc.
Your voice in the ink of truth.